the golem spawn in the egg. Go over here. Then you have a temple 1, 2, 3. Then edit this one. Then this chopped. What so many items doesn't do? Then this and go over the slot. Then braced. There, must go in here. Then you just see that spawn golem and the spawn snow. Then spawn golem. Then did you see that save? You must be going that world in the Minecraft PE. There's one. Then what's that? It's at the end again, but it's survival, so we have to get some creative of it. Then, oh no, it's wrong. Now you have to do it in the thing. Then if you see that, you don't many items, go over here, and you see that iron golem spawner. You have to go up there, put it, look, haha, isn't it amazing, haha. It's just in the, in the pocket editor in Minecraft, okay? So guys, you know what's that mean. See you later, goodbye everybody.